What's going on, guys? This is Money Making Mike from Michigan, better known as Mike Rouse. Just want to show you exactly what to do to go ahead and get your $5 right now. So open up your Dash app. As soon as you open up that app, you're going to look in the upper right hand corners. Yours will say $0. Next to that $0, click on those two icon cards. As soon as you click on that add a card at the top right hand corner that you're looking at. When you add your card, make sure it's a bank, debit, or credit card. It can't be a prepaid card. As soon as you link your card, within 5 minutes, you're going to receive $5. As you can see, it says $5 cash back for linking a card right there at the middle of the screen. So go ahead, link a debit card to your account. It's going to give you $5 in the next 5 minutes. And all this app is a discount app. So if I go back to the offers, you can shop at nearby stores or you can shop online, and it either gives you a discount or it gives you cash back. As you can see, Pizza Hut, Dunkin' Donuts, Mattress Firm. If I go online, these are all the online stores that'll give you a percentage off and also give you cash back when you use it. So that's the reason that you need to put a debit card on there. And as soon as you do, you're going to get $5. When you get your $5, let me know. Say, I've received my $5, and I'm going to show you how I use this app to make an extra $50 to $100 per day, helping other people do the same exact thing that you just did. So go ahead, add a card, let me know, and we'll get you paid. This is Money Making Mike from Michigan. Love life.